pitiful little guy, not getting up or getting down, and too shook up to try. I thought I'd do a good deed and get that kitty down, so I reached up to grab him and set him on the ground. The crazy little climber just howling backed away. So with him not trusting me, he got stuck there all day. There's a kitty, a kitty, a kitty in a tree. Little guy is mighty scared as he looks down at me. Kitty, kitty, kitty in a tree. I wish he would look and see that I can set him free. How often we're just kitties on a tree branch way up high, a tree we knew we shouldn't have climbed, but we just had to try. The good Lord reaches out his hand to help us on our way, but we won't trust his strength, Lord, we howl and back away. To step into your arms, stop running from the only one who saves our hides from harm. If we don't have the sense we need to keep out of a mess, then we should have the sense to know God knows what we need best. We're kitties, kitties, kitties in a tree, wondering how we got up here and scared as we can be. We're kitties, kitties, kitties in a tree. The good Lord wishes we would see that he can set us free. Oh Lord, when will we have the sense to step into your arms? Stop running from the only one who saves our hides from harm. If we don't have the sense we need to keep out of a mess, then we should have the sense to know God knows what we need best. As I was walking down the street, I heard a puny cry. Looking up, I saw a kitty stuck up in the sky, sitting on a tree branch, a pitiful little guy, not getting up or getting down, and too shook up to try. I thought I'd do a good deed and get that kitty down, so I reached up to grab him and set him